Welcome to our guide on the top 11 superfoods for gut health. Today we will explore foods that can significantly improve your digestive well-being. Superfood number 1. Yogurt. Yogurt is a dairy product made by fermenting milk with a yogurt culture, which provides a rich source of probiotics. These probiotics, particularly strains like Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium, are beneficial bacteria that improve gut health by balancing the gut microbiota, enhancing digestion, and boosting the immune system. Yogurt is also a good source of protein, calcium, and vitamins such as B12 and riboflavin, which contribute to overall health. The fermentation process of yogurt makes the lactose in milk more digestible, making it a suitable option for those with lactose intolerance. Regular consumption of yogurt is linked to better gut health and can help in preventing gastrointestinal conditions like constipation, diarrhea, and inflammatory bowel disease. Superfood number 2, garlic. Garlic, a popular culinary ingredient, is renowned for its health benefits, particularly for gut health. It acts as a prebiotic by promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, enhancing the health of the gastrointestinal tract. This is largely due to its high content of inulin and fructooligosaccharides, types of dietary fibers that feed beneficial gut bacteria. Garlic also possesses antibacterial and antifungal properties, which can help in combating harmful bacteria and yeast in the gut. Additionally, garlic is rich in vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, selenium, and manganese, contributing to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects that benefit overall health, including the gut. Superfood number 3. Miso. Miso, a traditional Japanese seasoning produced by fermenting soybeans with salt and koji, is an excellent source of probiotics due to the fermentation process. These probiotics aid in maintaining a healthy gut flora, promoting better digestion and enhanced immune function. Miso is also rich in enzymes that help break down and absorb nutrients from the foods we eat. It's a good source of protein, vitamins, and minerals, including vitamin K, manganese, and copper. Miso's high levels of antioxidants can help reduce oxidative stress in the body, which is beneficial for gut health and overall well-being. However, it is high in sodium, so consumption should be moderated. Superfood number 4. Sauerkraut. Sauerkraut, made from fermented cabbage, is a powerhouse of probiotics, which are crucial for maintaining a healthy balance of gut bacteria. These probiotics improve digestive health, aid in the absorption of nutrients, and boost the immune system. Sauerkraut is also an excellent source of dietary fiber, contributing to regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. It is rich in vitamins C and K, as well as iron and manganese, which are essential for various bodily functions, including the maintenance of a healthy gut lining. The fermentation process increases the bioavailability of these nutrients, making them more accessible to the body. Regular consumption of sauerkraut can therefore support overall gut health and digestion. Superfood number 5. Kimchi. Kimchi, a staple in Korean cuisine, is a fermented vegetable dish that is highly beneficial for gut health. The fermentation process produces probiotics, particularly Lactobacillus bacteria, which enhance gut flora and aid in digestion. It's a rich source of dietary fiber, which promotes bowel regularity and prevents digestive disorders. Kimchi contains vitamins A, B, and C, which are important for immune health and overall well-being. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds in kimchi help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the body, including the gut. Its regular consumption has been linked to improved gut health and a reduced risk of certain gastrointestinal disorders. Superfood number 6. Sourdough. Sourdough bread, made from naturally fermented dough, is beneficial for gut health due to its unique preparation method. The fermentation process breaks down gluten, making sourdough a more digestible option for people with milk gluten sensitivities. It also helps in pre-digesting the starches, making the bread easier on the gut and less likely to cause bloating or discomfort. Sourdough contains lactic acid bacteria, which can act as probiotics to improve gut health. The presence of these bacteria also increases the bread's nutrient profile, including higher levels of folate and antioxidants. Consuming sourdough bread can aid in maintaining a healthy gut microbiome and improve overall digestive health. Superfood number 7. Ginger. Ginger is renowned for its medicinal properties, particularly in aiding digestive health. It contains gingerol, a compound that has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, which can help soothe the digestive tract and reduce gut inflammation. Ginger is known to stimulate saliva, bile, and gastric enzymes, aiding in digestion and nutrient absorption. It's effective in relieving nausea, vomiting, and other digestive discomforts, making it beneficial for those with gastrointestinal issues. Ginger also helps in speeding up the movement of food from the stomach to the small intestine, enhancing overall digestion. Regular consumption of ginger can contribute to a healthier gut and improved digestion. Superfood number 8, olive oil. Olive oil is highly beneficial for gut health due to its content of monounsaturated fats and polyphenols. These components have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the gut and promote a healthy digestive system. The phenolic compounds in olive oil are known to modulate the gut microbiota, increasing the abundance of beneficial bacteria. Olive oil also aids in the absorption of nutrients, particularly fat-soluble vitamins, which are essential for maintaining a healthy gut lining. Regular consumption of olive oil has been linked to a lower risk of gastrointestinal diseases and improved gut health due to its antioxidant properties. It is a healthy fat option that can enhance overall gut function. Superfood number 9, kombucha. Kombucha, a fermented tea beverage, is rich in probiotics, which are essential for a healthy gut microbiome. The fermentation process of kombucha produces a variety of beneficial bacteria and yeasts that can improve gut flora and aid digestion. It contains acetic acid and other organic acids that can help balance the pH of the gut, preventing harmful bacterial growth. Kombucha is also a source of antioxidants, which protect the digestive system from oxidative stress and inflammation. Regular consumption of kombucha can improve bowel regularity, alleviate symptoms of digestive disorders, and enhance overall gut health. Superfood number 10. Rfor Cheese. Rfor Cheese, a blue cheese variety, is beneficial for gut health due to its content of probiotics, which are produced during the cheese's fermentation process. These probiotics can improve the balance of gut bacteria, aiding in digestion and boosting immune function. Rfor cheese is also a good source of proteins and essential nutrients like calcium and phosphorus, which are important for maintaining the health of the gut lining. The specific fungi used in making Rfor cheese have been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties, which can be beneficial for gut health. However, due to its high fat content, it should be consumed in moderation. Superfood number 11. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts are highly nutritious and beneficial for gut health. They are an excellent source of dietary fiber, which is essential for maintaining healthy bowel movements and preventing constipation. The fiber in Brussels sprouts also acts as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in the gut and promoting a healthy gut microbiome. They are rich in vitamins K and C, as well as numerous antioxidants, which help reduce inflammation in the gut and protect the digestive tract from oxidative stress. Brussels sprouts also contain glucosinolates, compounds that may have cancer-protective properties, particularly in the digestive system. Regular consumption of Brussels sprouts can support overall digestive health and prevent gut-related issues. These 11 superfoods can make a significant difference in your gut health. Incorporating them into your diet can improve digestion and overall well-being. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like this video. Share your experiences with these superfoods in the comments below.